Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to refund something on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go to My Orders. Here you want to find the order that you want to get your refund for and tap on it to open its details. So it should look like this. This is order details page. Now what you want to do is basically open a dispute, because that's the only way how you can refund something on AliExpress. So find this button and press it, and this will basically redirect you to open dispute page. Now you should fill in this form, and the first thing is that you should select one option out of two, and the first option is refund only right here. You select this in case if you want to keep your item and partially get your money back. And the second option is refund and return item. You select this one in case you want to send your item back and get full refund for your order. Then you should select a dispute reason. Simply tap this arrow and this will give you a list of reasons. Simply tap one reason to select it. Then enter refund amount, and what I mean by that is that you should enter, in first case you should enter full refund amount if your item didn't arrive at all, and the second scenario if your item arrived but it's broken, wrong, damaged, etc., then you should enter partial refund amount. Now here in this box you should specify why you're requesting your refund. So in a few sentences describe why you want to get basically your refund. Explain your problem, recommend it in details, and in the very end you want to upload some evidence right here. So upload pictures, videos, screenshots, whatever that will prove your request for a refund. And of course do not forget to submit right here. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.